friends, today we're talking about dragonflies. Have you ever seen one up close? They're really pretty cool looking. Here's a picture of one up close. If you look at the wings, it has lots of different shapes in there. You can see all kinds of things, different colors and the faces. Let's read about those and find out what's going on with the dragonflies. So here's the dragonflies. A dragonfly rests. The hot sun warms its wings. Look how beautiful. Now it can fly. It can look for bugs to eat. Would you like to have bugs for snack? I don't think I would. The dragonfly has four clear wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. It flies up and down. It hovers over the sky. Almost kind of like a helicopter does. How cool is that? The dragonfly hunts for food. It flies to a pond. Huge eyes let it see all around. Look how big those eyes are. Those are amazing. And here's the pond. Looks like it's ready to eat that bee. See the bee? The dragonfly grabs its prey in the air. Can you see that? Getting ready to eat it. Munch, munch. The dragonfly eats it up. It eats as the flies. So he doesn't sit down at a table, does he? The dragonfly sits in the sun. It rests. Then it will hunt again. The end. Then there's a craft here that will go along with that to make your very own dragonfly. Here's the directions that you can give to an adult, and they will help you with that. And there's 2 different scenes in here. Here's one that's flying over the sky, and you're going to cut this out, and you're going to cut out the wings, and you're going to decorate the wings and then glue them on here. In this scene, and then there's one here by the pond. And you can decide how you're going to do this. Do you want to use some sequins? Do you want to use some paint? You decide. Then here is called the anatomy of a dragonfly. It just shows you where everything is. It's pretty awesome. And then here's one that you can do yourself. Do the same picture, but down here it shows you where everything is. And on this one, it shows you where everything belongs. Then on this page, it's just a dragonfly. How are you going to decorate this? Watercolors, paint dabbers, you decide. Color pencils. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.